Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so I'm doing a street scene drawing for you today. I'm doing it on an A5 piece of paper, and it's new paper that I've never used before. This paper's by Stonehenge. It's 100% cotton and it's very good quality paper. It's very tough. You can erase hard on this and you won't damage the surface of the paper. It's a really nice paper to work on. It's a little bit coarser than what I'm used to working on, but still it's a really nice paper. I'll leave some links in the description below where you can go and find it if you want to go and check it out and have a look at it. So on with the drawing then. I'm using a grid method for this one. You can actually use the point perspective method where you draw the horizon line in with a vanishing point and you draw the converging lines down to that to get all your angles and the perspective correct. But I prefer the grid method. It's a method I've been using for a long time, so I'm very used to it, so I just stick with it. Now this video is only going to be just a quick overview of this drawing. Obviously there's no sort of lesson in this at all. It's just basically showing you a quick preview of some of the lessons that will be over on Patreon. There'll be 8 other videos to accompany this one, all in real time, no voiceovers or anything. It'll be me talking all in real time all the way through, so you can follow along step by step. So if you like this project, it's something you fancy having a go at, I'll leave links in the description below and on the end screen to my Patreon channel where you can go and take a look at this. There's loads of other drawing projects and watercolour projects over there as well, and there's all sorts of videos on tips and techniques for all sorts of things. And for just $4 a month you can access the entire back catalogue of hundreds of videos, hundreds of posts over there on Patreon. So for just $4 I think that's a real bargain. There's more projects there than you could do in a month. You're not committed to anything, you can just leave at any time you want. There's also a community section over there where you can go and post all of your own work and join in with the chat on the community there. And you can access the community just for $1 a month actually, and you'll get access to all the reference photos as well. And we've got a great community of people over there, and they're all posting the work on the community section, all chatting, making friends, all getting along great. And of course I'll be there to answer any questions if you need any help or anything. And over on Patreon is where I give away all the secrets, all the tips, all the techniques, so that you can produce really nice drawings. So it'd be great to see you over there. Okay, so I'll leave you to watch the rest of the drawing in peace now. Thanks very much for watching. Take care everybody. Bye for now.